Morning computer science students. Today we are going to study about the 4th semester computer architecture paper. The concept is arithmetic pipeline. So mostly the pipelining process is used for floating point addition and arithmetic operations. Let us consider two values, that is x is equal to a into 2 power a and y is equal to b into 2 power b. Here capital A and B are mantissa and small a and b are exponent. The floating point addition and subtractions can be performed in 4 segments. First one is compare the exponent, second one align the mantissa, third one add or subtract the mantissa, and fourth one is normalize the result. So let us consider the flow chart for the example. Here A and B exponent part. First in segment 1 compare the exponent. So we can compare the exponent by subtraction. If it has the different values, then we want to go to align the mantissa by shifting the exponent part to the right side. And then afterwards we want to add or subtract the mantissa. After last we will normalize the result. Suppose the exponents are same, means choose the exponent and adjust the exponent and store it in the register. If you have a different value only, we want to align the mantissa and after that add or subtract the mantissa and normalize the result. Here example, x equal to 0.9304 into 10 power 3, then y is equal to 0.8600 into 10 power 2. Here the exponent parts have the different values, that is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So we want to adjust the exponent value for the value y is equal to 0.8600 into 10 power 2. By adjusting means by shifting the mantissa. So by shifting the mantissa to the right side, we will get the value y is equal to 0.0860 into 10 power 3. Then this is the alignment of the two values. After that we want to add or subtract the two values. We will get the result 1.0164 into 10 power 3. So finally in segment 4 we want to normalize the result, that is by shifting the values. By shifting the values we will get z is equal to 0.10164 into 10 power 4. Thus we got the arithmetic pipeline value. Thank you students.